Welcome back to another quick guide. Today we'll walk you through how to do CapCut slow motion. We have two short methods to create slow motion effects in CapCut. First method, adjust speed directly. Import your video. Open CapCut. Tap New and add the video you want to edit by tapping on it. Then hit Add. Now choose the clip. Tap Speed and choose Normal. Drag the slider to reduce the speed, for example 0.5 or lower than that, for a slow motion effect. Last method, create slow motion with speed curve. Once your video is already imported, choose it in the timeline. Tap Speed. Use a preset like Slow, Montage, or Hero, or Custom. To choose the custom, then hit Edit. Customize the curve to control where the slow motion occurs. Drag the key points on the curve to fine-tune with the slow motion effect. Once done, hit the check mark on the bottom right corner. Additional tips: use high frame rate videos, for example 60 fps or 120 fps for better quality slow motion. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.